And it appears kids in Indiana are using less tobacco. That is the result of the Indiana Youth Tobacco Survey.
However, some forms of tobacco still are on the increase among Indiana's youth. Brandon Schaff explains.
The 2024 Indiana Youth Tobacco Survey found that overall declining tobacco use can be attributed to less e-cigarette use and less cigarette, smokeless tobacco, and cigar use in recent years.
For the longest time, we've known how damaging nicotine can be, even in smokeless type situations. So it's very encouraging that we're now seeing somewhat of a decline in that.
Electronic cigarettes were the most commonly used tobacco product by kids in Indiana, followed by nicotine pouches for high schoolers and cigars for middle schoolers. Tobacco rates among high school and middle school students were lower than the U.S. average. Dr. Eric Yancey at Riley Hospital for Children explained the health risks posed by tobacco use by kids.
We have to look at what it's doing even to brain development, as well as lung situations, asthmatic situations. All those things can be detrimental, and so the less the better.
The survey also found that e-cigarette use among high schoolers was the lowest it's been since 2012, while middle school use increased slightly. The percentage of high schoolers who tried nicotine pouches in 2024 doubled from what it was in 2022, from slightly more than 2% to 5%. The Marion County Commission on Youth helped spearhead the Mayor's Youth Leadership Council. Sarah Comfer said that local high schoolers previously worked on a social media campaign addressing and discouraging tobacco use among their peers.
We know that this is a really important issue to young people. It's a really big opportunity for young people to kind of rethink the narrative of smoking as part of, the popular culture.
Comfer added that she hopes that the trend of declining tobacco use among Indiana youth continues.
We're really excited to see that these numbers are decreasing. It seems that these cessation programs are really having a positive impact with our youth.
Brandon Schaff, 13 News.
More than 4,800 students in Indiana public high schools and middle schools were surveyed for this report.